After watching this tutorial, I guarantee you will know how to make saleeg and coconut mango juice. Especially this coconut mango juice because it is important for every country. Wow, this is saleeg, rich, creamy, and full of true Arab tradition. And this coconut mango juice is the perfect pairing. Wow, Omo, this is incredible. Saleeg is so creamy and rich. And this coconut mango juice is so refreshing. A meal loved across the Arab world, made with rice, milk, and tender chicken. It's not just about food. Today is about culture, tradition, and connection. Traditional Arab meal loved across Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Dubai, Mecca, and Egypt. Even though saleeg is an Arab dish, you can prepare this juice anywhere in the world. Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Australia. This juice's ingredients can be found in every market. Simple ingredients, easy to find in every market, and possible to make anywhere. And this fresh coconut mango juice brings the perfect cool balance. After watching this tutorial, I guarantee you will know how to make saleeg and coconut mango juice. Before we cook, we wash our hands. Clean hands, good food. Today we make Saudi saleeg. Soft rice, creamy, warm, it feels like home. This is rice. Rice is the base of saleeg. It makes the meal soft. This is chicken. Chicken gives strong flavor and protein. This is milk. Milk makes the rice creamy and smooth. This is chicken stock. It gives deep taste to the rice. This is butter. Butter adds rich flavor. This is salt. Salt brings out the taste. This is black pepper. It adds small heat and aroma. This is cardamom. It gives sweet aroma. This is bay leaf. It gives soft fragrance while boiling. Now we cook the chicken first. Boil for 30 minutes until soft. Salt. Salt gives basic taste. Little black pepper for soft heat. Cardamom, it gives sweet aroma. Add bay leaf for soft fragrance. Cover the pot, let it boil. Boil for 30 minutes until the chicken is soft. Chicken is soft now, ready to cut before waving the heated up. Now we add little butter to the chicken body. Sprinkle black pepper. We divide the chicken into two. This helps it roast well. And take it to the oven. We wait about 20 minutes until the skin is golden brown. Crispy outside, soft inside. Let it rest before serving. Now we cook the rice in the stock. Cook 20 minutes. Stir every 5 minutes. Stir every 5 minutes. Now it becomes creamy. This is the heart of saleeg. Now it becomes creamy after the milk. We put the butter also. Perfect saleeg should look creamy, warm, nourishing. Now we cook on low heat. Cook 10 to 15 minutes more. Stir gently every 2 minutes. This is saleeg, soft, creamy, and warm. Look at the texture. So nourishing and comforting. This is perfect thickness for saleeg, right? This is perfect saleeg texture. Cook 3 to 5 more minutes on low heat, then turn off gas. Now it is ready. Before preparing the saleeg, we prepare something fresh, something gentle. These are ripe mangoes. Sweet, soft, full of life. Coconut milk. This gives us creaminess, comfort. Coconut water, light, refreshing. A little honey. Just enough sweetness. A small pinch of salt, optional. It balances everything. Ice to cool the body after a long day. Everything is ready. Let us begin. First, we wash the mangoes. Clean hands, clean fruit, clean heart. Gently we cut around the seed. Take your time, no rush. Remove the skin, then cut into small pieces. Soft, golden, beautiful. Now, we add the mango pieces. They bring a fresh, sweet taste. First, some mango and creamy coconut milk. A little honey, just enough. A pinch of salt for balance. coconut water, light and refreshing.
Level on each. Balance is important.
A little honey, just enough. Balance in, slowly becoming one. Let's begin with our mango cubes. A little honey, just enough. Let it blend, slowly be ready to refresh the soul. After cooking for 45 minutes, it is time to serve the saleeg. Make it smooth, gentle, no rush.
Place gently, like a crown.
Wow, this is saleeg, rich, creamy, and full of true Arab tradition. And this coconut mango juice is the perfect pairing. Wow! Omo, this is incredible! Saleeg is so creamy and rich. And this coconut mango juice is so refreshing. Like, comment, follow, and subscribe so you will be the first notified when we drop the next meal. Today we have saleeg with coconut mango juice. Tell us in the comment section what meal you want us to prepare for you next.